Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're diving into the beauty of the Savannah with a step-by-step acrylic painting tutorial. For this project, you'll need the following supplies. Pause here while you gather these supplies, and hit play when you're ready to begin. You can also find this information in the description below. Start by squeezing out a few drops of Phthalo Blue, Cobalt Blue, Titanium White, Purple, and Orange across the top of your canvas. Take your wet, flat brush and blend these colors in horizontal strokes, moving from the canvas's lower to the upper part. Keep your brush wet throughout this process to transition between colors smoothly. Add small amounts of yellow to your background to enhance the blend. Continue to blend until you have a well-transitioned, vibrant background. Once your background is dry, it's time to paint the land area. Using a small flat brush and black paint, define the ground. Next, take your detailing brush with long bristles to create tree trunks and branches. Use your fan brush to add bunches of leaves and vegetation, using soft, random strokes to mimic the natural look of broad-leaved savanna trees. Add more bushes in the land area with the same fan brush. Let's paint a larger tree using the same technique, but make it a bit bigger to add depth to your scene. Vary the pressure and angle of your brush to create the look of broad-leaved trees. With a liner brush, sketch the outline of an elephant in the savanna landscape. If you're an absolute beginner, sketching the shape first on the canvas can be helpful. Fill in the shape to complete the elephant. Add a baby elephant next to the larger one, trying to hold its mother's tail with its snout for a lively touch. Finally, ensure the sizes of objects, like trees and elephants, are proportionate to the landscape. To finish, use your liner brush to add a few flying birds of varying shapes in the sky, giving your painting a dynamic look. Thank you for painting with us today. Please share your finished artwork with our community here or on Facebook. Subscribe for more tutorials and happy painting.